Hello everyone. So basically, this recording is about threat alert system with VAPI that we have created at Revisum AI. So the main features of this, like we have created a threat system with the help of VAPI and some of the important libraries that are being used, and it will do a lot of work for you. Like whenever any of the weapon or any of the suspicious person is being seen near in your area or your vicinity, so it will directly call to the authorities and let them know with the help of voice assistant. So let's just dive in. The some features of this are dynamic data management, customizable alerts, API integration, call placement, threat detection and alerting, AI powered voice messages, AI enhanced call responses, secure authentication, extensible architecture. Okay, so let me just talk to you about first of all the lambda function that we've created and the reason why we have used lambda. So basically we wanted to have it the scale up thing to, like, in terms of scalability, we wanted to use the serverless architecture where we can easily handle multiple APIs and provides and take the advantage of the key functionalities of that. Okay, so we have like three routes in that lambda function right away. You can see one is the server call that we are finding, and the other one is get transcript recording, and the third one is initiate call. So basically this one is our main thing, like call initiate. Okay, so let's dive into the call backend file. That is our kind of main file. Okay, so there is session management event happening over here, you can see, and also the cookies are being saved in your browser if you use the browser version of it. So it will be saved for 24 hours, as you can see over here. And just going away into that method, so it's here, you can see initiate call. It is giving you out the customer number, company, threat and all that, but company is not used. Okay, you can see it's not used. Okay, it is given but it's not used over there. So let me see, and we are logging everything, like we have initiated the call and what is happening around. So we have checked it as well, and afterwards it is going down, and this is the payload we are using. Like it is getting the system prompt that is coming from the file or if defined from the front end. Okay, also we have the ability in the VAPI, so we can define the system prompt over there even though. So this is the server URL where everything is being like checked and authorized. And afterwards if you want to get the transcript recording, so you can use this method and it will allow you to get that transcription in the email as well. So we have established a server call URL where it will help you get everything. Like you can see the mailer body is over there, and afterwards you can see the transcript is being emailed. So afterwards if you see that speech update received and all that, but every time the email will be sent when the call is ended, so we have like end of call report thing over there. So we use this stuff, and let me tell you how we deployed it. First we made these files on the Flask, and afterwards we changed them into the lambda function that is over here. So we remember that lambda function just takes events and context. We never use context in here, but we are like using event, like we are getting event from the raw path and path, and afterwards we are finding request context for the HTTP methods. If it is like a post or get, you guys know about it, I assume. So afterwards we are diving into the like checking if it's a server call, so like pass that route towards the server call method, afterwards get transcript method, and as well the last route that is initiate call. So just let me show you what is my Docker file has. So you can see we are using 3.12 Python. Okay, we are setting a work directory, and afterwards we have the requirements file that is over here. You can see we have like different requirements. These are the standard libraries where we can use the third-party packages as well if needed. Okay, so we are using OpenAI as well. Okay, and afterwards you can see we are using VAPI logging, and like OpenAI is helping us to give the assistant more knowledge about it and how it will communicate with the other person at the back of the call. And so afterwards if I go into the another stuff, that is my server call. So you guys will have an important thing, that is my messages and the like my system message. You can see it is an AI system designed to monitor and respond CCTV camera footage, and you can see we have like this information embedded over here, but we can make it dynamic. Like we can have API response over here. Like let me show you where we can add the API so that it will help you get it inside of it. See, here you can get the logic to get the real-time API information via API, so you can like even send that real-time logic information. And one more over here is that. So I guess yeah, you guys got some of the idea. So we can build it further more, and we can add more of the, like you can say, capabilities and functions to it. And there are some of the commands that you can use to deploy your thing to Lambda. So basically first you will like authenticate the password, but first you have to be logged in your, either you can say ID or your system, and afterwards you need to build it. Or you can use this command as well, that is docker build and define platform architecture, which is important if you like to. And afterwards you can tag it using the same thing, and afterwards you can push it over that ECR, that is your elastic container repository, so that it will be used privately. And afterwards you can open that function and deploy it, and it will be useful. If you guys want further, like I will be sharing another one where you can access it. Have a great day.